Coming to next question, they asked to find quotient of x square in the expansion. So the given expansion is 1 plus x whole square into 8 minus x whole power minus 1 by 3. Convert 1 minus x whole power minus n form. So this is the 1 plus x whole square, constant 8 common, into 1 minus x by 8 whole power minus 1 by 3. So this is the 8 power minus 1 by 3. 1 plus x whole square into 1 minus x by 8 whole power minus 1 by 3. This is in the form of 1 minus x whole power minus p by q. That expansion we have 1 plus p into x by q plus power is a negative, so p is increasing, p into p plus q by 2 factor into x square, x by q whole square plus and so on. We want only quotient of x square, means up to x square has come, it can expand. Remaining can take the plus and so on. So here p by q, p is the 1, q is the 3, x is the x by 8. Then x by q is denominator can multiply by 3, x by 3 into 8, 24. Substitute in the formula. Now coming to 8 can be done 2 q whole power minus 1 by 3, 1 plus x whole square, a plus b whole square, a plus b whole square means 1 plus x square, a square plus b square plus 2ab, 2x. Into expand, this is the on the form 1 plus p into x by q means x by 24 plus p into p plus q, 1 into 1 plus 3 by 2 factorial into x by q whole square, x by 24 whole square plus and so on. So this is the 3 get cancelled, 2 power minus 1 means 1 by 2, 1 plus x square plus 2x into 1 plus x by 24 plus 4 by 2 is 2, 2 times of x square by 24 into 24, 576 plus and so on. Therefore 1 by 2 is multiplied to every term, quotient of x square equal to 1 by 2, 2 1 are 2 12 will get cancelled. 1 into x square term, x square. So that quotient we have 1 by 12 into 24 plus x square into 1, x square, so plus 1 plus x into x, x square we have. So 2 times of 1 by 24. Do the LCM, equal to 1 by 2 into 12 into 24 is LCM. 1 plus 12 into 24. 24 is a 12 goes to numerator, 12 to the 24. That is a 1 by 2 into 2 into 12 into 24. 12 4 is a 48. 24 288. Numerator will get 125 plus 288. 288 plus 25 313. 288 into 2, that is a 516. Copy it. Coming to next question, they ask him to find the quotient of x power minus n. Quotient of x power minus n means you have to find the quotient of x 1 by x power n. Now given expansion 1 plus x whole power n into 1 plus 1 by x whole power n. Second bracket it contains LCM 1 plus x whole power n into this becomes x plus 1 whole power n, that is a 1 plus x whole power n by x power n. So there is a 1 by x power n into 1 plus x whole power n plus n 2n will get. So quotient of x power minus n equal to quotient of 1 by x power n, that equal to 1 by x power n into constant term in the expansion. Constant term in x 1 plus x whole power 2n. So there is a 1 by x power n into expand, that is a 2n c naught plus 2n c1 into x plus 2n c2 into x square plus and so on 2n c2n into x power 2n. Every term contains x you have, only constant term is 2n c naught. So quotient of x power minus n equal to that is the quotient of x power minus n equal to 2n c naught. That is the value is 1. Copy it. Coming to next question, you have to find the quotient of x power r in the expansion of 1 plus 2x by 1 minus 2x whole power square. This can be written as 1 plus 2x into taking the numerator 1 minus 2x whole power minus 2. We know the expansion 1 minus x whole power minus 2. That expansion we have 1 plus 2x plus 3x square plus and so on plus r into x power r minus 1 plus r plus 1 into x power r plus and so on. In place of x we have 2x is a substitute in the formula. We get 1 plus 2x into 1 plus 2 times of 2x plus 3 times of 2x whole square plus and so on plus r into 2x whole power r minus 1 plus r plus 1 into 2x whole power r plus and so on. They are asking to find the quotient of x power r. X into x power r minus 1 is x power r. X into x power r minus 1 I have x power r. 1 into x power r I have x power r. So 1 into x power r term into x power r minus 1 term. So quotient of x power r is 1 into x power r quotient. That is the 2 times of 2 power r into r plus 1 plus 2 into x power r minus 1 quotient. 2 times of r into 2 power r minus 1. That is 2 power r into r plus 1. A power m into a power m plus n. 2 power 1 into 2 power r minus 1. 2 power r minus 1 plus 1 into r. Minus 1 plus 1 cancel. 2 power r common. R plus 1 plus r. That is 2 power r into 2r plus 1. Copy it. Let's come into today last problem, Nana. This expansion in powers of x you have to write. That can be written as a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus and so on. Then find the an. a2 x square quotient is a2, x power 1 quotient is a1, an is x power n quotient. So you have to find the quotient of x power n. First, given expansion, you can convert it into partial fraction 1 minus ax into 1 minus bx. This is the first polynomial 1 minus ax plus divided by 1 minus bx. You have to find 1 minus ax numerator value. Take 1 minus ax equal to 0. Then x equal to 1 by a will get. That x equal to 1 by a, you have to substitute in the remaining fraction. 1 minus b into 1 by a, that is a b by a. Now you can take the 1 minus bx equal to 0. We get x equal to 1 by b. That x equal to 1 by b, you have to substitute in the remaining fraction. 1 minus a by b. Now take the LCM. So we get a by a minus b. 1 minus a is taken numerator, 1 minus ax whole power minus 1 plus, you can take the LCM b by, we get b by b minus a into 1 minus bx whole power minus 1. You have to find the quotient of an means quotient of x power n. So 1 minus x whole power minus 1 expansion, we know the formula 1 plus x square plus and so on plus x power n plus infinity up to infinity half. By using the formula, you can expand both expansions. We get a by a minus b into 1 plus ax whole square plus and so on ax whole power n plus up to infinity plus b by b minus a. You have to expand same by using the same formula 1 plus bx square plus and so on bx whole power n plus and so on infinity. So an is quotient of x power n, that is a into a power n by a minus b plus b into b power n by b minus a b power n. Options, every option in denominator you have b minus a is there. So in the first term denominator minus common, plus by minus minus a power 1 into a power n, that is a power n plus 1 by b minus a plus b power n plus 1 by b minus a. You can take the LCM. B minus a is LCM. B power n plus 1. First you can write the positive term, next you can write the negative term. One thing for senior IPL students, if you have any doubt, మీకు ఏదైనా డౌట్ ఉందంటే త్రూ నా ఫోన్ నెంబర్కి మీకు కాల్ చేయండి 9703010007. ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే నా ఫోన్ నెంబర్ కాల్ చేసి అడగండి. వీడియో క్లాస్ నేను పంపిస్తున్న పర్టికులర్గా నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ తొందరగా అయిపోవాలి, ఎక్కువ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అయిపోవాలని. అదే జూమ్ క్లాస్ పెడితే ఎస్టర్డే 7 to 8 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అయినాయి, ప్లస్ జూమ్ అవుట్ జూమ్ ఇన్ అవుతూ ఉంది, క్లారిటీ లేకుండా ఉంది. అందువల్ల ఇలా వీడియో రికార్డ్ చేసి మీకు పంపిస్తున్నాను. నేను డిలీట్ చేసేంత వరకు యూట్యూబ్లో ఈ వీడియో రికార్డింగ్ ఉంటుందండి, అది జాగ్రత్తగా చూసుకున్నాను. Copy it.